Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an affiliate marketing program with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To start an affiliate marketing program with Amazon, follow these steps. First, sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates. Visit the Amazon Associates website and create an account. Fill in your personal information and provide details about your website or social media platforms. Review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Once approved, log in to your Amazon Associates dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the available tools. Search for products that align with your niche or interests. Use the product linking tool to generate unique affiliate links. Choose the format that fits your needs, such as text links or image banners. Add these links to your website, blog, or social media posts. Create high-quality content that promotes the products you recommend. Focus on providing value to your audience through reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationship in your content to comply with legal guidelines. Monitor your performance regularly through the dashboard. Track clicks, conversions, and commissions to assess your effectiveness. Test different strategies to see what resonates best with your audience. Consider seasonal trends or special promotions to boost engagement. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and changes in commission structures. Continuously improve your content and marketing strategies to increase your earnings. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Be patient, as affiliate marketing takes time to yield significant results. Utilize social media to increase your reach and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Explore additional tools or resources that can assist in optimizing your marketing efforts. Keep learning and adapting your approach to enhance your affiliate marketing success. With consistent effort and dedication, you can build a successful affiliate marketing program with Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.